So first step, this is the domain name you will be given. Yeah, you will see this kind of thing. This is what you will choose, whether it's whatever.com. This is what you will see. So what you want to do is to access where we can use to put something different from this. Go back here and tap put /cpanel. /cpanel back. So it will show you something like this. Alright, so to tell you put your password and username. These two things will be given to you when you get your domain. These two things, and will be following you. So put this and put this. Press login. Works. So to show you something like here, under your domain, you will see email path. You can create an email account for this website, an email. You can do things like creating database. That's for backend, options for domains. Like you can create another domain if you like. So what we're focusing on is here under file manager. Right, so under file manager. So file manager will show you all this. Tap on this button here, this one. You will tap on this. This index is your home page. Do you remember when I taught you how to make a website? I said you should create a folder and the home page should be having what? Index. This is the index. That's why it's showing something like this as the website. This how fast, sir? Up Chelsea.
You get this thing?
Yes. Tuesday. So I said first make sure it's having an index. In this example, we have index, which is not the home page, right? It's not the home page. So what I'm going to do is this. This full site is what I want to move. I want to move this full site. I'll make this full site be the index. I will delete this one. I'll delete this one. We don't need this one. Delete it. This is now going to be the index. Small letter, please. Just index. Right? Simple and short. Then we are now going to say all these things that we need. Remember, we need jQuery, we need index, all this form and another page, like another page, but you can still take it if you like. So what we need more is Bootstrap, this one, images, index, and jQuery. Those are the things we need. So I will select everything first. Select images, select this. All this is I will need. Is it?
Images.
Oh yeah, so you need. So images, then right click. Where's this one? Bootstrap. So yeah, go to this where I say add to archive. I said go back here and right click, go to add to archive. You want to change to zip, make sure it's zip. And say okay. Remember, what we are doing is to compress all our website into a zip file, which is what is this now. This one. So when we do that, we are going to go back to this place and delete this one. We delete it. If we delete it, press confirm. If you refresh this place, you will not see anything. You see is there. Right? Go to upload. Down. So yeah, go this place, go to upload. For upload, go to select file. Or instead of pressing select file, you can drag this in here. You drag this. Look how well. Okay, I'll press select file again. Select file, go to this PC, go to desktop, go to web, also Bootstrap, go to Bootstrap, go to the folder, and that's zip. Press open. So remember, it will upload everything, wait for it to enter finish. When it turns green, that means it's okay. So a straight screen works. Just press go back. Then that, tap on this box, tap on extract files. So all this is what I've done is here. Focus on Bootstrap, images, the index, the jQuery. This is the zip. Delete it back. You don't need it again. So you are ready, right? It's working. Come back here. This is our homepage again. Refresh. What will you see here? You will see your website working. So it's taking time because of it's heavy. So it says working. Are you seeing? So that's all you need is just this. Anybody that goes to this website now will now see your work here. Remember, if your work has multiple pages, it will work too. But remember, I didn't move the other files. If I wanted, I could just upload let me upload just one of them. Let me upload that form. I think I like that form. Upload the form. Right? Form, sharp, done. Remember, the name of the stuff is form.html. I will come back and put /form.html. So now anybody can use their phone to see this. To work. Is this like it? Is this like this? Okay, this is what you did. So yeah, it's working, yeah. So all we need to do, go to this website and you see this. So let me just try and go there now. What I've done now is that you have made a website. You have made a domain, you have a domain now, and you are using this, your work, putting it there. Remember, this your domain that you're buying it's not only for one website. You can make other websites if you like. But just go here, go to domains, under this domain part, go to domain, and you create a new one for yourself. So it can be anything you like.
You have to pay again.
No, you don't have to pay again, just 5 more. But that name you are writing must have the other name attached. For example, the name of this website is Zeno Pixel Craft Studio. You say I want this. If the person will say, oh, I want to make another domain for, let me say, shopping website. The person has to write shop.zenopixelcraftstudio.com. You have to put that Z at the back. You get? So it's not like a fresh domain. It's like a new one, but at the same time it has that stuff at the back. That is the sum. I'm not like putting a folder inside a folder. You get it? So what we do is go back here and say create a new domain. Create a new domain. But remember, I'm going to do this. I know you can create 5 more. That is plus the original one. That is 6 altogether. So come back here. Put the zero, whatever first. But it will tell you it's wrong because you have done it before. That's the main domain. So what we're going to do is to put shop. So shop.zero. It works. Then it will tell you that if you're going to create subdomain, you need a place, you need a folder where you will put in the new index. Since it's a new website, you need a new index, a new file, new whatever. It will tell you that inside our public HTML, which is what I tapped on before, remember here, that's here. It wants to create a folder for you, and the name of the folder is this. If you want, you can change it to anything you like. No problem. Just make sure it does not have space. Just put it like this: shopping websites, something like this. And if you press submit, roll, and after some time, it's created for you. Okay, so that's how it works. So once it creates it for you, you will see that new folder updated here, but now you might not see it. It's still working. Yeah, it's here already. It's here already. So it's still working. There's not anything to finish. Don't cancel it. Let it work. All you need to do is go back here and make a new, how will I say it? A new upload, a new index, a new file, whatever. And anybody that goes to that shop, whatever, will now see the new website. So let's try it. It's working on my phone. Are you checking well? You need time to. Let me see. Let me refresh this place. So yeah, it's done. It's done now. It's done. So I have made this one. It's working. What I need to now do is to put a new index or whatever inside here. So we'll do something similar to what I've done before. I'll press upload, right? Remember, what am I uploading? I'm uploading this same project we did for our bootstrap. This one, not this one. So the difference is that I want to make, in this example, I want to make the nav bar my index. You understand? So I'll first take everything. I'll first take this, take jQuery, take font or something, take bootstrap, take images. You don't need the image sharp, but we shall take it. Then what we'll do? Convert to zip. So you change to zip. So once it's done, we're going to move this inside here. Remember that it is. So yeah, I beg. I remember I said if I'm moving this, I moved navbar, but navbar is not index, right? But I will change it later on. I'll move it in, make sure it turns to green. Make sure it turns to green. That is what I said. Best way to get this domain. May not find out. They can delete it, but they will not say, oh, when did I put this, when did I add this? Some people have bought domain, they have not done anything on Instagram. That is the kind of thing I'm touching here. So let me go back. I'll first go back. Now we have something inside. Remember, we are inside shopping. So what I'm going to do, I said I go to extract again, extract file, extract it here. Remember, after extracting it, delete the zip. Don't need it anymore. Delete. Then this navbar, which is navbar, change it to what? Index. Index is our home page, which is a small letter, no space, nothing. So now, if anybody goes to this website, but goes to if anybody goes to this website but goes to shop, this shop dot xenopixels. Remember that is one here, right? What will they see? This was you, Abby. So they will see this one. They will see this. So once you do that, you see that this is a new website. It's totally different from the first one. Different one. So if anybody goes to our main website, they will see this one. Anybody goes to this Xeno Pixel Craft Studio, they will see this one. This is what we did. But if anybody goes to the other one, they will see this one. Remember, you can do six websites. So different ones. So think, the name you give it also determine. For example, this guy used a very long name. Xeno Pixel, blah, 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 blah. These names are you telling the person that maybe the person is maybe doing artwork or doing website or doing something about drawing or something like that, which is web design. But if you use a name that can be used for both business and for yourself, it makes sense too. For example, if me I say my own website name is not, it's very simple. My own is just Joel. Everybody hears that one, you know, this is my own personal website. But I can now say, oh, I want to make a shop for Joel. I can say shop.joel or blog.joel. You get it? The name can help if you're doing more on that. You get it? Simple and short. Remember, I told you that it is better for you to say you buy the domain and you do it for somebody, for a business, and you tell the person, oh yeah, let me make website for your company. The person will give you all the things you need, give you pictures, give you the text you like, you want to add. Then all this information, when you use it and do the website, they give you some money. If you give you 30k, 20k, it's enough to pay more than half of the domain. So simple and short. So yeah, that's that. I will delete it. That is, delete this particular subdomain. How do I delete it? It's here under manage. You can't delete the main domain, please don't touch that part, but touch only manage here. Then you scroll down, see the move, see yes. So once you do that, it will take some time, or after some time, it will go to move it.
So you are deleting it. Someone search for it. Will it bring it?
That folder will not be empty. Like it will not be empty. It will still be there. But anybody that goes to that this shop dot they will not send it to you. Not to be as if that domain does not exist. So you can recreate, but that main domain cannot change. For example, this guy has chosen this. He cannot change this one at all. What he can change is this one. Right? This one can change. So if you use this one, don't think you can change it. It is this one you can delete or later do another thing again if you like. So this is what you use. If you want to change, this is sub. This is the main domain. Okay. Super short. Remember, also one more thing. This your Cpanel is more useful. If one day you learn backend, this is where you're going to be putting your backend work. Not here. This is where you're going to be putting your backend work. Here. Also, if you scroll down, you will see there is more things under this part. Not here now. Under this part it says WordPress Manager. This WordPress can help you make a website without code. If you learn how to use WordPress, you can just use it as you're doing CorelDRAW, drag, drop. This WordPress can do for you. From scratch? Okay, like the app called Scratch, or Canva, or Figma, those kind of things. So WordPress is how we do it. Usually, WordPress can make website for somebody, but the person has to pay in dollars. But now, since you have your domain, like how am I saying? Like, for example, if you say, oh, you want to make a WordPress website without code or whatever, they will tell you that to just do some few things, they will give you a free domain to do your thing, but it will be limited. You can't do anything. The name will be so long, you have to copy and paste, copy and paste. You can't spell anything on the website. So that one, if you now want to buy a domain from WordPress, you pay in dollars. In this example, you have paid in naira. At the same time, you can use WordPress. So everything that your WordPress is, just take advantage of this. I've told you guys also up here, and you can also use it here too. Email accounts. You can also create an email for this particular domain. So this example, you can create email accounts if you like. You will see your emails and whatever. That's if you are doing backend, or even if you're not doing backend, you can still use it. You can say, if you want to send email to somebody, you can say, okay, use something at gmail.com to be at xenopixelstudio.com.ng. Have you seen something like when you go to Jumia, you want to order something, the email will be something like at no reply, something like that, or at jumia.com, that kind of thing. So usually here they will create your email account. So this domain is not just for making websites. You can use it for a lot of other things, for creating your files, for doing backend, for creating more domains, for also doing WordPress if you want. You can do things. If you now say the password I will give you will be very hard to be hard, meaning you yourself cannot cram it. So I will give you a password, and that password will be hard. If you now say, oh, I want to, say all that thing, so it tells you can create infinite emails. You can create 10 email accounts. You can make 3 databases, you can do other things like that. Okay, so what am I saying? I said if you now say, oh, you want to use your own hand to change your password, you can do it too. But make sure you tell me the new password you change it to, so in case you forget it, I will choose it. If the password is gone, then it's gone.
Is there a way to recover?
Send code. So if you go back to this part here, you can see under password and security, you can change the password, or you put the old password and create a new password with your type, and to work. So that will be a new password. But if you change it, somebody changed their password, didn't tell me. Once they change it, they now say, okay, let me log in. They now check the charts, maybe to see what mail I can send to them. Maybe he has changed it to something else and he has forgotten it. What the person now did was that when he changed it, that person saved somewhere else. Then maybe later on, the thing cleared. You enter again now. So please tell me when you change the password if you change it. Or you can still leave it like that, so that it will be hard for anybody to enter at home. So we are done with that.